Our most successful outcome has been standardisation of the fleet and all the safety advantages that go with that. The accessories standardisation and the IVMS standardisation has allowed the company to look at the zero harm from a cultural perspective and from a factual perspective. We've been able to grab real data that has significantly changed our fleet going forward. Our zero harm initiatives have been that standardisation of all the accessories on the vehicles. That has given us a clear version of what's going on the ground, including the IVMS system, which has given us a great gauge for driver behaviours. Our financial security has come back by way of fuel savings, around about 7% fuel savings across the fleet that we operate, and around about 14% increase in tyre life. So those savings have been significant when we are operating between 600 and 700 vehicles.
The efforts you have made to transform the way we manage our fleet within the defence business has certainly proved its worth. We have simplified our vehicle fleet, introduced a wide range of significant hard safety controls to our vehicles, identified and delivered engineered vehicle solutions, as well as introducing a good driver behaviour program off the back of our IVMS system.
Hi Matt, I was absolutely delighted to learn that you were going to be the 2021 AfMA National Safety Award winner. What a wonderful achievement. I don't know anyone that puts more passion and commitment into doing the things that they need to do to make sure the vehicles and the people that we drive are safe. Great work, great recognition, well deserved.
The data that we're most proud of would be the IVMS data. We now have drivers that are regularly driving their day-to-day in a much safer manner, and it's allowed us to install a good driver program and tailor that with some driver education on the other end of that. I would like to highlight to any of the other companies out there that are thinking about standardising their vehicles, it does come at a cost and you will need support from your executive team. However, the rewards are great. You end up with cost savings along the way and a much safer fleet so that everybody gets home.